Hey, what's going on, guys? Hey, I hope you're having a good morning. I wanted to get on here and I wanted to actually share a quick story with you all about what happened to me and some of my friends last night. All right, so we went out last night and what we were doing, we were going to play golf at this par 3 golf course. Right, it was at night. I think it was around 8 o'clock, and we started playing. Right, well, we're going around through the holes. And we get to like hole 6 or 5 or 7 around there. And what actually happens to us is that we come up to this next hole, right? We come to the next hole. We're getting ready to tee off. And what we hear is some kids yelling at us from like this house that's very, very close to the hole. All right. So we walk over there. And what's actually going on is those kids are gathering up these golf balls that have been hit into their yard, and they had them in this big bin, right? And what they were doing was they were actually reselling these golf balls to people that were playing on the course. I mean, this house was so close. Like, it was maybe like 30 feet away. Like, it was close enough where we could hear them talking to us. So we walk over there and they tell us what kind of golf balls they have, what the prices were. It was like $1 for 2 golf balls, right? So it was super cheap. But what I want you guys to understand, and the point I'm trying to bring home, is that these kids took what some people would view as nothing and made it into a business. These kids were taking golf balls that had been hit into their yard, and then they were selling them to people that came around the golf course. All right, so what I think is just crazy is that there's people out there that say they can't get a job, they can't find a way to make money, they can't do this, they can't do that, but yet instead of playing Xbox, or instead of being inside, instead of being cooped up, doing whatever else they could have been doing, it was 8 o'clock at night and these kids were outside actually selling their golf balls to people coming around the golf course. All right, and in my mind, that is entrepreneurship. And that's why they probably made like $15, $20 off of just us coming up there trying to help them with their business. Because I thought that was a crazy idea. And just the concept to me that they would be out there working instead of being inside doing other things. It just blew my mind that there are still kids out there that really have a good mindset. And I feel like are going to go far in life just because of the way they think and the way they can take something that other people will not take advantage of and then turn that into a business. All right, guys, so I hope y'all thought that was cool. I mean, it was an amazing experience for me because I was just amazed at this kid, or these kids that were under 10 years old, that were then turning their location, their house, into a business. All right, guys, so I hope y'all enjoyed the story. If you did, you can like it, you can share it, you can do whatever you want with it, but I appreciate you guys, and I'll be seeing y'all soon. Y'all have a good one.